This one then. So this was called REM, a short story game. Let's check this one out, shall we? And we'll go to the itch page in case there's more instructions written, but let's see if they learnt anything on the jam as well. So no, nothing written by there, that's okay. Let's go check this out then. WASD store arrow keys to move, follow the instructions in the game, R to restart if you get stuck. Okay, no, that sounds good to me. Let's go ahead and get this ready to play. Hey, Jim, you're back. Hello, hello. Yeah, if Grannington makes it back in the next 10 minutes or so, he said he went for lunch around an hour ago, or for dinner with his girlfriend. But if he makes it back, we'll get yours played today before I wrap up for the day. What was this made in? This was a Unity game. Okay, this is cool. Let's just extract this then. Yeah, he was in earlier, but then he was like, oh, have I got time to go and have food? And he said he'd try and send you a message as well. How you doing, Chaos? It's at the end of the stream title. It's Honest Jam was to get a link to the games that we were playing. No problem, Chaos. Not a problem at all. Okay, so let's check out this. This is REM. This was made for Honest Jam, and it was Sleep On, follow your dreams. The answers will come. Okay. I like the cool abstraction of it and the moody music. I just need to quickly manage that volume. Ooh, that was close, wasn't it? That was very close. Okay, and yeah, this game was made by Mrsh221. So let's check this out. Okay, so just follow the arrow keys. Okay. Don't give me a jump scare. Don't give me a jump scare. Ever have that feeling you're not sure if you're awake or dreaming? I'm trying to free your mind, but I can only show you the doors. I didn't have enough time to read that. ... You're near the blue button, you wake up in your bed and you live a boring life. You're near the red button, you stay in the dream world and I can show you what you can do. Matrix references. I feel the table is tiny compared to me. Where's the red or blue button? Uh-oh, what? Okay, we can go through these doors. Can we jump? Oh, heck, we can jump. Okay, there's the blue and red button. In room 101. So, do we want to stay in the dream world? Or do we want to wake up? Let's wake up. Maybe it doesn't want me to press the blue button. Red one? Okay, none of the buttons work. Maybe this... You're as strong as your imagination. But don't think you are, you know. Sorry, don't think you are. No, you are. Use space to jump and read instructions. Good luck, Owen. Press X to increase jump speed. Press C to decrease jump speed. Is that like a gravity thing? Oh yeah, there's a value at the top. I'm trying to figure it out though. Don't know if it feels different, the jump. Some cool effort with the kind of feel that they've gone for, at least. Kes, I'm fine on this wonderful day as well. Thank you for asking. Alright, so I'm guessing we need a... Yeah, it just makes us jump higher, I think, so we can make this longer jump. So it's kind of like a jump height. We're going to avoid this. Come on, platform. Press left shift to dash, be fast. Oh wow, yeah, that can help us jump a lot further. What's happening with that block? Okay, good, we made that. I want to jump on this one. Oh, no. We can probably just make it up to here, right? So do we go down onto the road now? Let's go. Oh, what? Hang on. I can hold dash and I can dash in the air? What's that over there? Okay, dashing is a bit strong. So I'm guessing I'm jumping over here. Yeah, it's meant to be a Matrix sort of trip. No, not the water. I can't swim. Oh no. Farewell. They did say press R if you restart. It's a really interesting presentation though. I don't know the benefit of like having a small jump. I guess is to like waste less time, I guess. So I can just do a quicker jump like that. Oh no. You get the idea. Come on, jump up. There we go. Alright, big jump. We can probably make it over. Oh no. No, we can't. Over here, though, we can. Yeah, holding shift is a little too strong, I'd say. Because you can just properly fly. Whee! Look at this. Or maybe I could have gone on top of the bridge. I can't jump anymore. What the? I don't think I've landed properly. Maybe it will register here. Okay, I can jump again here. Or can I just not jump here? Yeah, it's only on here you can. Okay. Okay, we made this. Mr. Danderson. Indeed. Okay, we made it. Oh, wow, it keeps going. Okay, let's go on here. No way I can make that jump. Oh gosh, I can do anything in my dreams. Whee! I think this was the blue pill I ended up taking. No, was it? Or the red? What is... Okay, I can now shoot. Okay, we gotta shoot all the... It's super sensitive, but what an interesting change. I can't move around anymore. Little particle effect, like as it flies around, is pretty cool. Like when it leaves your gun. Oh. Pow! Alright, we got this. Welcome back, Grannington, as well. So it's kind of like a Matrixy game. It basically was just talking about believe you are rather, or know you are rather than believing you are things. And then you had a choice to take like a red, press a red button or a blue button with a very kind of Matrix style quote. And then we had that kind of scene where we're jumping around. Oh, come on. The lack of crosshair here is a little challenging. But we meant to just know we can do it, right? Rather than relying on equipment. Am I meant to just shoot a green button again? But it's not something like that, is it? Like to get out. Okay, just making sure before I try and shoot all of these. Oh, come on. It's so challenging. Okay, they stopped moving. Like the most... No! Okay, it was just a certain amount of time we had. Use your imagination. Reach the portal before they kill your dream. Okay, don't wake up, please. Dreams are trusting you. My health. Oh, so now we can combine it. Why are they blue shells? Oh, we can sprint as well, remember? Don't wake me up. Oh, we need to up at... Oh no! They're all behind me and I didn't change my jump to high enough. Alright, restart this level. Alright. Oh gosh. What was that? Okay, can we change our jump to a higher amount? There we go. Okay. It's fine. Sprinting is the way anyway. And then we jump. No! The second jump failed! Also, did we just get a donation as well for the Honest Jam? I will check that out. I don't know why the donation didn't come up on the stream, but I will go and have a little quick look now. So if you did donate and you're in chat, thank you very much for generosity. Didn't mean to not celebrate it. My phone just beeped and told me. Oh, oh, it did come up. I just missed it. The audio didn't come up. A donation. Thank you, Spacey, for seeing it as well. Earlier I saw you did mention it. I'm intensely in this dream at the moment. You gotta... I'm RP in my dream. Okay, come on, up we go. No! Okay. Here we go, here we go. Avoid him, avoid him. What's the... I don't feel I'm jumping. Oh, how's my jump gone back to 8? I swear I changed it to 20. Or maybe I died and then I forgot to do it again. Oh dears, don't blame me on that. I'm wearing headphones, I would have heard it. Unless it came out on my screen or something like that. Alright, let's land on this. And then we're getting our jump. Okay, then I pressed jump. Oh, sorry. That wasn't my fault. I'm just gonna say it. Oh, great. We've been hit now. We gotta make it though. This is even better than getting over it. Well, I mean, it's definitely causing some feelings. Right, land here, then jump, sprint, land. Oh gosh, there's a boss. Do I even hurt them? Oh no, no, I don't even know where I am. The turn sensitivity is pretty high. Okay, we need to get to the portal though. We can just jump over it. There's so many cool mechanics they've worked into this game though. Yeah. Let me out. Did I not go into it? Okay, we... Okay. What? Ah! Oh, the boss has health. Oh, it has big old bullets too. Okay, we need to run. We can get up. Ah! Ah! What happened? No, no, no! I cannot wake up! What a... What an experience that was, eh? Yeah, that was definitely something. All right, let's try and think about what happened. So it was kind of like Matrix tribute-ish, with the idea that you can be anything in your dreams and that stay in your dream because then you stay empowered, I guess, right? And you first learn to jump and control how high you can jump, and that you could dash, and then you learn to shoot, and then you combine them to get through a kind of an assault course and fought a giant one at the end of it. So yeah, it was it definitely had it was packed full of content. I didn't expect that much from it there. When I opened it, I didn't know there was going to be such a variance from level to level. So yeah, let's write some feedback to that, and then after that, we'll finish today by playing Granionton's and Jim Edmo's game. We could actually check out if Partly is about as well in Spacey's here. We can check out your game afterwards too if you want. If not, we can save it for another time. I'm fine either way. All right, let's get some feedback written on this. This had so much more to it than I would have guessed. A definite nod to the Matrix, but it felt it was refreshing to have each level be varied. Does sounds like he could show up. He yelled for you earlier. Spacey! How are you feeling today? How's moving gone, Spacey? Okay, so much as a definite nod to the Matrix, but it's refreshing to have each level be varied from a gameplay point of view. The button bit made me worry it wasn't working a bit, as the buttons didn't seem to do anything for a while. Other than that, though, it was fun with really fitting music you chose. I'm guessing they didn't conduct all that music. The vibe you were going for. Very on point with the theme as well. Nice. Alrighty, so if you're interested in checking that out yourself, you're welcome to go and have a look. It would be there.